Good morning, friends. Let's continue with our exercise 11.4, which was based on the volume. Question number 1. Give a given a cylindrical tank in which given a cylindrical tank in which situation will you find surface area, and in which situation you will find volume. So we need to find in a first situation to find how much it can hold. The word hold means capacity, to hold liquid substance. And whenever liquid substance and capacity to hold it, it will be that we need to find volume. Concept clear? Now second situation they have given, that is number of cement bags required to plaster it. If it is a cylindrical tank and we want to plaster it, cylindrical tank is there and we want to do the plastering of it. प्लास्टरिंग कहाँ करते हैं भाई? यहाँ पर कर सकते हैं, टॉप में होगा, नीचे भी हो सकता है, ठीक है. If it is so, what we are finding? Surface area. If they says that के top भी ले लो, bottom भी ले लो, sometimes they may say only this much area you need to cover. So depends upon that what they are saying, but we are finding surface area for this. So this is the second answer for the situation. And the third situation they have given to find the number of smaller tanks that can be filled with water from it. So we need to find the volume, smaller tanks volume. Again, you know that to be filled with water, and the situation says you directly, you understand it. This is volume we need to find. Hope so. Question number 1 clear to you. Now we proceed for the problem sum, types of sum based on this volume. The diameter of cylinder A is 7 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter. So diameter is 7 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter of cylinder A. And cylinder B, diameter is 14 and height is 7, reverse. So without doing any calculation, can you suggest whose volume is greater? Verify it by finding the volume of both the cylinder. Check whether the cylinder with greater volume also has greater surface area. Means we need to find the surface area also and volume of both this cylinder. So first we will find who is having greater volume. So volume of cylinder A and cylinder B, and we will compare it. Then we will find that surface area. They are asking surface area, okay, of this given cylinder, who is having the surface area greater. So both the things we will find for both the cylinder. Type 1, cylinder A. So volume of cylinder pi r square h. Clear, friends? So 22 by 7 is the, and radius here, diameter given, so radius is equal to d divided by 2, that will be 7 divided by 2 centimeter. So I will write just 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and height they have given 14, so 14 and centimeter cube because we are finding volume. Now 7 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 7s are 14 and 2 1s are 2 11s are. So I am getting 11 into 7 into 7 centimeter cube. Okay. So what will be the answer for this? We need to find centimeter cube. Okay. So that will be, if you multiply 11 into 49, 7 7 is 49, that is 539 centimeter cube is the volume of cylinder A. Same way, volume of cylinder B. Same method, pi r square h. Here, this is diameter and this one is height. So radius will be 14 divided by 2 centimeter means 7 centimeter, and height is also 7 centimeter. So 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 means radius, and height is also 7 centimeter cube. 7 7 get cancelled, so 22 into 7 into 7 centimeter cube. So we will find here also, that is 1078 centimeter cube. So volume of type B cylinder is greater. Okay. Volume of cylinder B is greater than cylinder A. One thing as per the question we have completed. Now we want to find the surface area also and compare that. The volume having more, cylinder having more volume, similarly a surface area will be more or less, they are asking. So we will find that also. Surface area of cylinder A. So we know that surface area, that will be total surface area, that is 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 into 22, for here we require radius and height of the cylinder. So height is 14 centimeter and radius is 7 by 2 centimeter, means 3.5 centimeter also we can write. Now we find that 22 means by 7 is the radius, and this is 7 by 2 as a, and height 7 given to us, height is 14 and radius is 7 by 2, and it will be centimeter square. So 2 get cancelled, 7 get cancelled, so 22 is left, and now here there is no denominator, we want to find the LCM. So LCM will be 2 and we will get 2, and here it will be multiplied, so 28 plus 7, because we want to multiply it by 2, so this whole numerator and denominator both with the same number to make it equal denominator, like fraction banane ke liye. So it will be centimeter square, that will be 22 into, we want to add this, that is 35 by 2, 2 to 11. So we will get 11 into 35 centimeter square, and that will be how much? Cylinder 385 centimeter square for type A cylinder. Which type? Surface area, total surface area of cylinder A. Okay. Now for cylinder B also we can find. So for that also, total surface area of cylinder B. For that, height and radius we require. Height they have given for this also, cylinder 2, that is 7 centimeter, and radius is 14 divided, means diameter divided by 2, that is also 7 centimeter. Okay, so both same, and formula is 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 into 22 by 7, radius also 7, multiplied by height, the 7 plus 7 centimeter square. So 7 7 cancel, 2 into 22, that is 44, multiplied by 7 plus 7, it will be 14 centimeter square. So it will be 616 centimeter square. So we find again cylinder B type is having more surface area. Okay, previously volume was also more and surface area, total surface area also more. Clear? Surface area, total surface area of cylinder B is more than, or greater we also say, okay, than cylinder B A. From this we can write that cylinder having greater capacity has greater surface area. Hope so clear. It's lengthy sum but quite easy. We proceed for the next question.